Hello cuties, welcome to my channel Farwa Amazing Drawing World. Hello cuties, welcome to my channel. Today we draw a cute Hello Kitty, so let's call her magical marker. I'm coming! Let's start coloring. Red color. Pink color. Yellow color. Bye bye, see you tomorrow with next video. If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel.